Because again, I knew they were sitting somewhere in a room. But who's got the magical keys to that room? That's all we had to figure out.
Well, I do have to say that on that point, I was right.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, if the people at the desk didn't know.
Are you okay to drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if the people there at the desk didn't know, I couldn't imagine anybody on the planet would know. And they did know. But they fucking had them.
Turn to the left. Never mind. Yeah, turn left. This is the exit. Oh.
Well, aren't we trying to exit?
That's the... Okay, I can't read either. Right turn only. And then go straight. And you have your ticket, correct? Talk to the attendant. Stop here. Stop.
Yeah. No, ma'am. Thank you. You too.
Right turn only. You have a red.
Here, I
Okay.
can see the signs. Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to help,
Yeah,
but I feel like
Hey, sure.